Hello, my name is Dung. I'm a first year student at Walsh, and my major is in accounting. I'm originally from Vietnam, and I went to Macomb before Walsh for 3 years, and actually got my general studies associate degree over there last month, and now it's my second semester at Walsh right now. My originally plan was transferred to OU, and during the way, I was talking with my friends, my professor, and doing some research online, and I heard about Walsh. They have like an amazing program for business and accounting major. That's why I was like, why not? I'm just gonna go to Walsh. I'm graduating next year, so that would be the end of the winter semester for my bachelor, and for my summer semester, so I'm gonna finish my master as well. After graduation, I'm planning to move to Texas, Dallas, Texas, because my parents currently live in Dallas, Texas, and I also planning to seek for my CPA exam in Texas too. So I'm researching a lot of information about the requirement and the difference between the requirement between to be able to seek for the CPA exam in Michigan and Texas. So I would really love to hear from you and what your advice about the CPA exam in Texas. I'm very honored to receive the scholarship from you. It's meant a lot to me, not only financially but emotionally. It's meant that somebody support me, somebody believe in me that my ability and my dream can come true. So I'm very honored. I very appreciate your generosity. I would like to thank you, Mr. Kamadi, to provide a scholarship for me as a student at Walsh and other students too, to be able to have us to pursue our dream.